Welcome to Archiesense. The story begins with Fred, Ben, and D&S Planning Studio, sharing a long, sloping site on the corner of Upper Buitengragt and Carisbrook streets. At 653 square meters, the site had unique potential to combine the needs of living, working, and renting. The site was redesigned using a grid division that created 8 distinct zones, including a Victorian house, a two-story warehouse, a driveway, and studio units that looped across either side of the site. 2 mature trees on the driveway side were retained as a green element connecting the 3 blocks of buildings that make up the Carisbrook St facade. The stone and steel palisade wall along Buitengragt and Carisbrook was retained to maintain its heritage value and connection to the street. The existing Victorian house was restored, with the previously enclosed section converted into a columned veranda to restore the original street corner element. The house was redesigned as a U-shaped double dwelling surrounding a small external courtyard. A single gable roof extends across the width of the site, serving as the main living space for both units. The lean-to on the north side was removed and replaced with a new 2-story warehouse, providing additional living space as well as a communal work office. The natural slope of the site facilitates the management of the warehouse levels, which include shared parking, an entrance, and 2 levels of steel-framed studios to the north. The studios are joined to the warehouse via an extruded structure, but remain vertically separate. The internal spaces are compact yet effective, with pockets of double volume allowing light to enter the basement area, which is retained. The steeply pitched roof creates sleeping spaces above. The project began with the construction of 2 studio units in the first phase, allowing the owners to continue living and working on site during the second phase. Materials such as corrugated sheet metal and red brick were used to respond to and align with the aesthetic of the original Victorian house without creating a clone. The project presents a simple typology with a linear, warehouse-like form, which frames the open external spaces while separating the different building blocks. Through direct collaboration with 2 clients, the architecture of this project is vibrant, conceptually rich, and playful. The project successfully addresses issues related to heritage, community, livability, and connectivity, while creating a mature response to each individual's preferences and needs.